My, oh my. Them are some fancy boots you got there. They put us back in the boonies. What do we got here?
People are gonna call me crazy.
This is to smack Mike's bottom when he's a bad boy.
We made it to the rally.
We are here.
At the Nexus rally. And we figured we might as well just get into the speed test. Some people love it, some people hate it. Whatever.
We recently got a couple messages of people saying that they loved it, so.
AT&T.
38.2 download, 0.39 upload.
Man, that upload hurts.
Yeah.
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile came in really well with the download of 338, but then upload 0.13. That
download though. Old Verizon may not be the fastest, but it is by far the most usable here.
Download of 58.2, respectable, and that upload 39.7. So if we had to upload, it'd be with Verizon.
It may be worth noting that this campground has Wi-Fi, maybe not, but we also did a speed test on that.
0.51 download, 0.22 upload. They're almost equal.
It's free.
It's free. That's a good way to put it. We are actually here for the Nexus rally, and you wouldn't know it by looking around us because they put us back in the boonies.
We're in the furthest back corner you could put anybody, and that's where they put us.
That's where we are, and all the other Nexus RVs that are here are like completely diagonal of where we are right now. I'm like, why did they do this? But oh well, here we are. I mean,
it'll be nice.
Yeah.
Be nice and quiet. That Nexus crowd.
Yeah,
they like to party.
I'm sure they can get pretty rowdy. Mike had to go run some errands. He left me here. He's like, hey, I'm really hungry. I need you to cook. So here I am, slaving away. And he just leaves me and the dogs, and I'll be back. Having the classic shells and cheese with beef in it. It's a pretty basic lunch, but it only needs to hold us over because I believe we are going out to eat tonight with the whole group. Well, I should say the whole group, with who's ever decided to go. I'm a little excited for that. It's a new place that we've never been to. A lot of people we haven't met.
This is heavy.
What do you got? Jeez! Alright, what do we got here?
People are going to call me crazy. We got the factory steps.
Oh, yeah.
They come on the chassis from International.
So we're gonna finally be able to replace our steps that we really don't care for.
For over 2 years,
Yep.
I've been wanting these steps. Finally got them. In an upcoming video, we'll be reinstalling the factory steps.
Yeah, they came. This chassis came with these on there.
Yeah, and Nexus takes them off, puts their steps on. I'm not a fan. It's been no secret. I've told multiple times, I hate these steps.
Yep.
I want these.
Would they charge you for these?
$75 each. So
okay.
$300.
Okay.
But we got them.
How is it?
This is the best thing ever. It's just hamburger and shells and cheese.
Yeah. It's a pretty basic lunch, like I said, but it gets the job done and it never disappoints.
Nope. I'm not going to dirty a bowl or a fork.
That's true. Lunch is over and we're going to take the puppies for a walkabout on just to see where everyone is. And
yeah, we're kind of away from the group.
Yeah, so we have a big long trek ahead of us to get to anyone. Over here, neighboring properties got a bunch of cows.
I didn't even notice.
No. My God, this girl is insane. She's never been this crazy in a long time, and of course all the other Nexus people get to see Piper at her worst. She just scared a baby. It's too so cute. My, oh my. Them are some fancy boots you got there.
Likewise.
Oh, you noticed?
Yeah,
We got a comment from someone saying, when are you ever going to wear those boots? Now. I've worn them a handful of times.
Yeah.
Well worth it. We're in the Jeep and we are headed to Der Dutchman something Haus.
Put it at the bottom of the screen.
I can't remember, but it's the Der Dutchman basically. It's just very popular in the Amish communities here in Indiana and Ohio. So I've been to one in Ohio many, many years ago. They're having a big old group like
dinner.
Yeah, group dinner there. So we figured we'd participate. So we're kind of looking forward to that and getting some good food. So
we missed all the good stuff. They did like the factory tour and all kinds of stuff throughout the week when we were working.
Right.
So we're just kind of catching the tail end of it and trying to join in on what we can, what's left.
Right, what's left of what's going on. But a lot of the people who are here do happen to be retired. You know, all these other big RV companies, when they have their rallies, they tend to last at least a week as well.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Das Dutchman Essenhaus. Man, I messed that one up. Don't forget to stop with the smallest stop sign I've ever seen. Like, people are gonna miss that for sure. What did you just tell me?
I said, when we get back, what do you want for dinner?
We literally just left a buffet. How did I know this would happen? Oh, I know what you're going to want. I'm not even going to say it. Because I don't want it to come true.
What, a pie?
Yeah.
They did not have pie.
Yeah, and they asked, would you like any pie? And he says, no.
Because I will not cheat on you.
I gave you permission. It's not cheating if I okay it.
It's not every day your wife gives you permission.
Yeah, to cheat on you
to
with
taste
having
the pie.
Yeah, to have another pie.
Everybody that came out to the rally got a gift bag.
A bag of goodies.
Yeah, from Nexus. We got, don't mind the dogs, they keep wanting to play.
Yeah,
Two hats.
Nice.
Which this is, I like the darker color hat that I got.
I do like this one better.
But I do like a free hat.
Yes. They will not go to waste.
We got two of these bottles.
Oh, okay. So nice.
Yep.
I have to put some beverages in those when we walk around today.
Oh, we've got a keychain. I see one. Wait. I lied. Two keychains.
We actually use these keychains for our keys for the race.
Nexus cards.
Oh, you know I'd be playing with those. Look at Piper. She still wants to know what's in there.
In the box. Yeah, Lynn does love playing cards by herself.
Like solitaire. Mike makes fun of me. Who else likes to play solitaire? I cannot be the only one.
It's kind of cool that they have Nexus playing cards.
I like those.
Then I think last is a small shirt for Lynn.
Small, that thing looks big.
Yeah.
Looks like it fit you.
No, there's no way. And speaking of me, they know who's the gold standard.
Please. The golden
there
child
we go.
of
Golden
Nexus.
child. And a large shirt for me.
Yep.
Yep, I like it.
Yeah.
What you got there?
Someone gave us a gift.
Kind of.
But not really.
Jeff and Lindy Betzner pulled up yesterday and they handed that out the window of their Jeep.
Yeah.
Sorry, didn't make it. Lynn, can you make us another? It's supposed to be a
Pecan pie.
So
I
thought, well, maybe we could. Guys, stop crying.
You're so loud.
Is that a good pipe at being?
For now.
I thought we could make something to go in there.
Yeah, remedy the situation and return it to them, maybe with a pie in it.
You know what's crazy is I said to Lynn, do you have what you need to make a pecan pie? And she looked, goes, yep. It just always has pie.
Yeah. I always have travel with pretty much everything to do all my different baking.
And your KitchenAid mixer just stays in here.
It does. It lives in here and it lives in the closet right up there. I got here 3 crust balls. Each one of these is going to be a bottom crust. So I tripled my regular crust recipe. I've never made 3 at one time, but you know, Mike is very persistent on wanting 3 pies.
Well, what's this say? 3 heavy-duty pie pans. How many people travel with a KitchenAid mixer, that thing,
Pastry cutter.
and a rolling pin?
This is to smack Mike's bottom when he's a bad boy. How many people do? I mean, I'm curious. Am I the only one who, I mean, these stay here in the RV. I have pretty much I can do all kinds of stuff, all kinds of baking at any given time in the motorhome. It's pretty great. What happened to the
Dogs got into the pie.
dogs? Can't have pecans.
I don't know what to tell you.
Are you sure it was the dogs?
Guys, stop. See?
I don't know.
He's like, don't tell. Don't tell.
But in all seriousness, how was it?
It's very good.
Very good.
I'm surprised you didn't question me on the dog's ability to use a fork. But
You know, if it was Piper, I wouldn't question it. Whenever I'm making pie and pie crust, if I have leftover, I always do this. This is just the pie crust rolled out, and I put some butter down, cinnamon and sugar. I'm gonna roll it up into a pinwheel and cut it.
yeah, I think we're gonna put something in this pie box.
Yeah. Ask and you shall receive.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It is hot.
Fresh out the oven. Fresh out the convection microwave.
Right. Hey, look at that. They're gonna,
Oh man.
they're gonna accuse us of going and buying that pie, but we have video evidence.
Yes, we have proof. I made 3 pies and those little cinnamon pinwheel things.
There's a pie there, there's a pie there, and there's one in there.
One in there, and then the pinwheels are in the fridge until the pie is done in there, and then that's going in there.
So watch out, Jeff. We're coming. 3rd one.
Numero 3.
Look at that. Look at that pie.
Oh my goodness. They're like getting better with time. I should just keep going. That's what Mike says. He's like, just make another pie. Look at how beautiful.
Look at those gloves.
Yeah, like I said, I love these Grillaholics gloves because I use them for not just grilling. Like, I've used them for kebabs because they're great because you have some dexterity, but they're great for pulling stuff out of the oven.
Even the camp pies.
Even the camp pies. I love these for the camp pies. These are camp pie necessities because they give you some cush for that hook that's always so pointy. Love them. We are on a delivery mission.
Yep, he's gonna, like I said, say that we bought it.
I know.
I do have a delivery. For this.
What do you got?
Here.
Did you actually make a pie?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, it is still hot.
Is it homemade or is it from
No,
the
I just made it.
Oh my goodness.
That's way better. I brought whipped cream and ice cream too.
Oh, bring it to the thing tonight.
We made 3.
Holy cow.
You're
Dude,
amazing.
We gotta get some plates. Where did you get the stuff to make it?
I just always have stuff to make everything in
Oh
the
my word.
She's got enough stuff to whip
that's
up 3
awesome.
pies.
Yeah, I asked her, I said, do you have enough what you need to make a pie? She goes, yeah, I got it. It's like, heck yeah, dude. You asked us to
That's
put something in the box.
Guy, you living your best life. Yeah. Okay, you do this every time though. You gotta back up. Out here trying to get some energy out of Piper. She's been a lot better today than yesterday, but still kind of crazy, but much improved. We got some sheep too. Where's the black sheep? That's us. Let's see. Ooh, num-nums.
Yeah.
These are some of our favorite things to do with leftover pie crust. They never last long, that's for sure. It'd be really good if I had or if I made some like frosting to like dip.
I can wait.
I'm sure you could.
Everybody knew you made it, so
What happened here? So
you didn't make it.
it
Again.
certainly did not make it again. It's gone.
Back to the kitchen.
You shutting it down, Mikey?
Shutting it down with G.
Shutting it down with G. We're closing up this campfire.
Yep.
Closing up this Nexus rally campfire.
It's a late one tonight.
Yeah, it's almost 9 p.m.
Well, let's see. It's 8:57.
Yeah, exactly. And there, as you can see, we got G's chair out there. There is no one else around this campfire. No one's riding like G.
Dogs got gifts from subscribers.
They did. You look so happy. What you got, guys? What you got? He's so happy. Big surprise that it's been raining all morning long, off and on. So I think it's a good time to finally pack up in between the rain. My 3rd pecan pie, I'm gonna go drop it off to G. Bye.
Woo! Bye bye.
Of course it's raining again. Can't really escape that.
Nope. Well, we had a good weekend though.
Definitely
We
did.
had a good, fun, rain-free weekend.
Yes. Our first Nexus rally, I think, was a success. What do you think?
I liked it. I had fun.
I'm glad we went. It was a toss-up whether we could make it or not, and I'm glad that we did. We met a lot of great other Nexus owners, and we did miss some of the cool things like the factory tour, but it is what it is. Maybe next year. They did say that they may have this again next year. The weekend itself was pretty good. The weather did hold out until overnight last night, so can't really complain. Right now we're headed back on the road, so until next time, see ya.
See ya.
Mike is not here, and it's like, I feel very sad and like bummed, and I'm like, I miss my partner, my best friend, he's not here.